Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel where I unbox subscription boxes so you can decide, is it worth it or not for you? Today is a very special day here because it is the first box that I am opening of something that's not beauty or makeup or lifestyle related. It is my very first snack crate. I can't show you the top of it because the actual label is on top of it. And they, for some reason, put it on the side here, but you know, whatever works. So it took literally months for me to get this. I got this box last week, I want to say. It's June 19th. Yesterday was my birthday. I turned 30. It's very exciting. But it came in June. This is from April. I ordered this at like the beginning of April. It's been so long. It got stuck in customs for so long. Which is going to be kind of funny because I know what month this is. This is April, and I know what box this is. It's from Hawaii, a state that is in the US. So I have no idea actually why it took so long to get here. Who knows? So this is my very first snack crate from Hawaii. Here's the little card for it. The inside of the card actually has information on Hawaii, as well as the snacks that are in here. Now, I have the mini, which is $15, and I have 5 snacks, I believe. But this one in here actually has information on the mini at the top here, the original there, the family, which is a huge one, and then a drink upgrade, so you can actually add a drink every time. This month's was a Hawaii Kona blend coffee with milk, which does sound very good, but I'm pretty sure I can get something like this at my local grocery. Awajimaya is the Asian grocery store. They have a lot of those kinds of things. And some of the products I just took a quick peruse through are ones that I've heard of before from the Hawaiian kettle style potato chips. I have had a number of those before. At Costco, they have their sweet onion version that is so good. I quite like those. Doesn't look like that is in here, but some of the other things, I think I've had at least one of those before. But I'm very excited to get into this, so I will snack on some of these, but I'm not going to eat all of them right now because I just can't. It's almost dinner time here, and I really shouldn't eat all these snacks as much as I want to. Okay, so here we are. Let's get into my Hawaii snack box. So in here, there's actually a card that says, these snacks are expired. Just kidding. No, they're not. And that's because a lot of these countries that they get the snacks from have the date differently. Now, since this is Hawaii, I don't believe it's going to be different. I think it will have a regular expiration, like the expiration dates will look just like they do here in the US, but who knows? I'll check it out. It also has a snack crate sticker that will definitely be going on my computer where I put all of my brand stickers at. Okay, here we are. Here's my box here. Let's get into it. Let's fail at opening paper because that's what just happened. Okay, the very first thing on here are Maui style potato chips. These technically expired about 3 days ago, so well, it's potato chips. I'm sure it's fine. And you smells like potato chips. I like kettle potato chips, not the super fried ones. Let me grab one out. They look identical. Ooh, they're kind of sour. These are really good. Okay, so these are actually manufactured by Frito-Lay right here. So this should be pretty easy if I really wanted them. They are, yeah, kettle cooked. And it doesn't really say like what they are flavored with. I think, so the ingredients are just potatoes, vegetable oil, which is sunflower, corn, and canola oil, and sea salt. They're really just like kettle style potato chips. And they're very good. I said I'm not going to eat all of them, but I really want to. Okay, we're gonna put those over there. Oh, those are so good. Next up, we have something from Diamond Bakery, and it says Hawaiian Cookie Candy Bead, made in Hawaii. So these are little, they look like little cookies with sprinkles on them, which, for those who know me, know that I love anything with sprinkles. Donuts with sprinkles. My favorite cake is a funfetti cake. Cookies with sprinkles. Everything with sprinkles. So these are little cookies that have sprinkles. Oh, they're inside. They're like funfetti cookies, which, as I said, is my favorite type of snack. So let's see. Yeah, they're like little sugar cookies. You know, sometimes like the little hard shortbread cookies have a little bit of a lemony aftertaste to them. That's kind of what these are. They're very good. Just nice little sugar cookies with sprinkles in them. Yeah, basically they're sugar cookies with non-perils in the middle. I'm only going to eat the one right now. Handy for this one, it is resealable. That's nice. That means I can keep it longer. Okay, the next in here, well, that's just packaging, probably to keep things from being destroyed. Okay, up next is something that I'm not going to eat right now because it is a hard candy. It says plum candy. Oh, okay. So on here, I could see something here. So this has got to be a plum, and it's in a candy coating. So this is plum candy. Yeah, it's like salted plum. I love these. So I used to live in Japan, and salted plum is kind of a flavor of a lot of things there. And in fact became like my favorite onigiri rice ball flavor is salted plum. I'd get candies with it as well. It's like sour. It's super great. So if that's what these are, which I expect that's what they are, I'm really excited because I actually really like it when my candies are a little bit sour. It's really fun. I really enjoy that. Okay, so in here there are, in fact, 3 of them. There's 3 little plum candies. And I'll read more about them when I'm finished here. This isn't something I can go look at and be like, oh, this is how much these things are worth. Because these are candy and they're imported for the most part. So, I don't know. Okay, the next thing in here is something, it just says Pieka made in Hawaii, and it doesn't have anything on it. It looks like some kind of cookie. It's soft. So it looks like a sugar cookie. It smells like something familiar, but I don't know what. Well, here goes. It's got filling in it. It's got pineapple filling in it. That's what I smell. Interesting. So yeah, it's a pineapple filled sugar cookie. At least I think it's pineapple. Yeah, that's really good. Yeah, it's nice. I like it because it's not super sweet. The filling itself is not very sugary, which is quite great. It's just nice and like soft cookies. I like soft cookies, and I like that the filling in it, it's kind of jelly. Super great. Okay, up next is something from Hawaiian Sun. It is Kona Crunch, which is chocolate-covered macadamia nut Rice Crisps. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love macadamia nuts. Chocolate-covered macadamia nuts, especially. And I know Hawaiian Sun because I live in Oregon, so we have a decent amount of products from Hawaii here. And also, my families and their family friends have gone a lot and brought us back things like this. Okay, so it's a little chocolate here covered. You can see the Rice Krispies on it. And there on the inside, a whole macadamia nut. And milk chocolate. I love macadamia nuts so much. Okay, so unthought of problem here. Today is a very hot day here. It's about 85. At least it was. And the chocolate is melting on my fingers. It's a good thing I don't have more chocolate in here. That would be a mess right now. Super good though. So there's 2 pieces in here. I'll save the other one for later. We're down to our very last item, which I believe makes this more than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is actually number 6. And this is Asia Trans Rainbow Belts. Some rainbow belts in here. I know what those are. They're just sugary rainbow candies. Rainbow belts look like this. Smell like pure sugar. They're kind of chewy. So the flavor on the outside of it is, it's not really sweet. It's not super sour, but it does have like a flavor. And I'm reading the ingredients and it looks like we got more plum in this one. Plum, sugar, salt, licorice, aspartame. You can see like in the package here, I don't know if you can, so it's actually got kind of a pink salty type looking thing on it, but it's not very salty. It's not super sweet. It's not super sour. It's pretty good. I will save my rainbow belts for later because they are still pure sugar essentially with some flavoring. But okay, and that's it. That's all the snacks in this box. I got some chips and some cookies and candy to eat later. So let's get into our booklet here. So first page again in here has got facts on Hawaii, got the state flag, it's got some information of the population, the highest point, what languages they speak, just some general facts about Hawaii, some fun facts, and then let's get into our snacks here. Okay, so the first things we have are our Diamond Bakery Candy Bean, and they're just, yeah, the hint of lemon, I was right. Okay, so it's a little sugar cookie with a hint of lemon and just some fun candy in it. Our Linghu Mew Drops, which are hard candies flavored with plum, and the pit of a real plum in the center. So it's a real plum in there. I got our Rainbow Belts, which is delicious brightly colored gummy strips dusted with Linghu Mew powder, which gives the perfect blend of salty and sweet. Which again, that's that plum. A little plum thing. We got our Kona Crunch from Hawaiian Sun, macadamia nuts mixed with milk chocolate and crispy rice. Delicious. I could eat so many of these. So many. The pineapple shortbread, which I actually have half of it left here. It was kind of a lot of sugar. And yeah, it's made with, so it's sweet shortbread, soft shortbread at that, with real pineapple filling. Like I said, not super sweet, which was kind of nice. And our last product, so there was actually 6 in here, is our Maui style potato chips, which it says have some onion flavor. That's what makes it different. It's not it's not listed on the outside of the bag, and I actually think that these are different than what's listed here, because this one says Maui onion and it's got a little onion guy surfing, and this is clearly just a regular potato chip. So I didn't get the onion style, but that's okay. If I want those, I'll just get the Hawaiian kettle chips from Costco. Those are really good. But yeah, that is it for this. Looking over the original box, it also had some mochi. It had, like I said, more chips, more macadamia nuts, pineapple, the family one, which, so basically all these as well, they build. So mine only has the top 6. If you get the original, it's got all of them. If you get the family, it's got all of the ones on the last page, plus these. You can get a lot of snacks. Look at that, a ton of snacks. So the family one has some seaweed crackers, some coffee caramel chocolate, tuna jerky. Now that's interesting. Maybe at some point I'll try getting one of these bigger boxes just to see what, like, that's a lot of snacks for me to try on camera. I'll do it sometime probably. I want it to come to me in a more reasonable fashion, not months late before I try that. White rabbit candy. Yeah, so lots of fun stuff. So honestly, I really enjoyed this. I'm gonna have snacks for later and some that I can save as well. So it's not like I'm gonna eat the whole box all at once. That is an option, I guess, but at this moment I'm not going to. So yeah, this was really fun. I'm really excited to get more of these boxes because I love snacks from around the world. When I was in Japan, snacks were something that I absolutely adored. I loved eating snacks there. I miss a lot of them. I can't get them here, or they're wildly expensive in comparison. But yeah, so let me know what you think of the snack box. Like I said, it's different than my normal content. Let me know if you'd like to see more of it. Maybe you want me to try a different snack crate, because I can try that. This is snack crate, sorry, snack box. Maybe a different snack box. I don't know, let me know down below what you think, and if you'd like something like this that gets you a different amount of snacks from a different country every month. Yeah, I'd love to hear your opinions. And while you're here, if you could leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you know when I upload a video. That's if you want to. I don't mind if you don't. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day. Bye!